Brainiam. I am Liam, and every day I will be sending you a challenge, a brainy challenge. Today's challenge is called the mind map. What I want you to do is to think of a topic. It doesn't matter if it's racing or science, whatever it is. Take a piece of paper, write the topic inside it, then draw a bubble around it, then do some branches and write down some other words that go with the topic. Then keep doing this until the paper is full. That is your mind map. This is what your final mind map should look like. When you're done, please share your work with me and come back tomorrow for another challenge. Bye!